Here's the wireless receiver for the keyboard and mouse combo. Keyboard I have here. Mouse I have here. So let me do the mouse first. So you see me moving. Mouse. Here's the mouse. We're moving around. As for the keyboard, typing something. Keyboard, no problems. Using a keyboard and mouse combo, which I have here. So you need to open here you see the mouse. You drag I can drag around a file, no problems. Close that. Now for keyboard, you need to open a document file, change the font to something bigger so you can see. I'm typing something, it types out, change the font to something bigger. Something out, keyboard, any button, random button works. Numbers too. Plug it in to the hub. You see the light up, digital. So we're going to test it right now, test the file, video file. And here you see, coming from the speakers. If I hit the mute, unmute, plug it in. And here on one of the speakers, here you see the USB speakers light up. So let me play a music file. Make sure the USB speaker is selected. I'll play a music file. Right here, sound coming out from the speakers. Mute, play, mute, play. So here's the Crystal Mark software. I want to do a sequential test using running 5 passes, and each pass is doing 50 megabytes. We have a read speed of 35 megabytes and a write speed of around 36 megabytes. There's the software. You see the voltage, you see the speed. Here, write random numbers and verify for about half a minute. The maximum write data rate is around 312.9 megabits. The maximum read data rate is around 333.7 megabits, with the average data rate of 310.6 megabits. So I have plugged it in right now. And this is the hard drive. And here you see on the hard drive the lights light up. I mean, it got detected. Now it's just scanning it and waiting for it to pop up on the desktop. And here you go. You see it come up here. Icon. See me double click it. And here you see what's the files inside the hard drive. Plug it in. Any port. Now, I'm going to bring up the Logitech Webcam software. Notice this is detected. Select the quick capture. Select video mode. Controls resolution is max 1080p, the highest it goes. Looking at the previous screen, we'll do some waving motion. And you see no latency. Plug a flash drive in. And it came up and it looks like it passes. A flash drive. Plug it in. And you see it right here, it pops up. On the Mac, you open it from the Mac side. And here you see I can access any files in here. Keyboard and mouse combo. So, keyboard, wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. Keyboard, the mouse works, you see it moving. And then selecting a file, document, keyboard, so here's the keyboard and mouse. It's a wireless receiver for the wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. So here you see me pull up a program. So here you can see me dragging the mouse around. And then as for keyboard, let me change the font to something bigger. And here you see typing something on the keyboard. So that's mouse and keyboard. Test USB speakers with the hub. Plug it in. Here you see the light up, so it's being powered. Here play a audio file. Here you hear sound coming out from the speakers. Then I hit mute. Sound's gone. Unmute. You see the orange line on the speakers light up. Then I'm going to select it. Make sure USB audio is selected for the device output. I'm going to hit play music file. And you hear playing from speakers. Mute. 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 So here you go. Hard drive gets detected. It opens up. So I'm going to use a Crystal Mark benchmark software. So here's the software. Okay, so I'm going to do a sequential test that runs 5 passes, and each pass uses 50 megabytes. We get a read speed of 35.43 megabytes and a write speed of 36.6 megabytes. With the benchmark tester with the passmark tester, here you see the voltage, the speed. We're going to set benchmark, configure it to do read and write, random numbers, and verify the data. Test it for half a minute. Start. A maximum write data rate of 298.5 megabits. A maximum read data rate of 319.9 megabits. With an average data rate of 295 megabits. Plug it in. Using the Logitech webcam software. You see the webcam come up. Do a quick capture. And we select video. Under controls, max resolution, we select 1080p. And here's the preview screen. So if you look at it, my hand waving. You don't see any latency with here. So you try to factor it in. It comes up. So it's detected. Plug a flash drive in. So you're working. Plug it in. See it over here, icon here, detects it. So let me double click on it. And here see I can open the file, any files inside. USB hub extender with a 125 cable, Cat5e, with a USB hard drive. And here you see here, the icon for the hard drive comes up. And I can access the videos and files inside the hard drive after going 125 feet with the hub.